Alrighty, so I hope everybody's having fun. I hope you've checked out all the posts on the page and have gotten a few laughs, shared with me some funny stuff, showed me some of the problems that you want fixed, and I hope you've learned a lot of information. That's the biggest deal to me is I want to inform you guys on how Norwex is honestly going to change your Seek life. So first off, I want to show you just a couple of our products. These are found in our household package, and this is kind of like the flagship Norwex package. This is the starter because eliminating chemicals from your life is kind of a baby step process. You got to start small, and you've got to realize you have to actually start to see like the mechanical clean work, whereas before you were just covering your surfaces in Clorox and Lysol and whatever else to eliminate the dirt. So first up is our best-selling Norwex product. This comes in several different colors. So pink is just one of them. You don't have to have just pink. This is the Enviro cloth. So Norwex is known for its microfiber, which you've probably used, you see in all the stores. But what makes Norwex microfiber so special is first off, its weave. This is incredibly dense. Your typical microfiber is, each thread is 1/16 the size of a human hair, which that sounds pretty impressive, right? Norwex microfiber's threads are 1/200th the size of a human hair. If you unwound this cloth, you would have 10 million feet of thread in this cloth. Does that sound absolutely insane? So the density that huge amount of cloth creates in this is what is going to pick up 99% of the bacteria on the surfaces of your home or wherever else you're using it. 99% of bacteria when used properly and with good care. So this is a damp cloth. If I were to wipe down my surface right now, it picks up 99%, which I think you'll find is comparable to most of the chemical cleaners that you're currently using. So another thing that makes Norwex special is its backlock. See that little backlock tag? What that means is there is silver woven throughout this thread or out this cloth. Those silver threads, a lot of you are probably a little bit familiar with silver and its antibacterial properties. They use it in doctor's offices for cuts and burns and all kinds of different stuff. So what that does is it means you don't have to wash this cloth every time you use it. Once you use it, you rinse it out, you hang it dry, and that silver cleans and purifies your thread so it's not growing bacteria over and over and over again. That bacteria is dying, it's not growing back. It's not reproducing. That means this cloth is not going to stink every time you use it, which is a huge deal. So you're reducing waste by washing less. So with average use, you're only going to wash your cloths about once a week, which is amazing. Anything to get less laundry, right? So this is the Enviro cloth. If you get nothing else, you cannot have too many of these. This is your workhorse. It will clean almost just every surface. There's not a surface that it's not good for. So that's the Enviro cloth. Next up is our window cloth. These guys go hand in hand. So you're going to use your Enviro cloth to clean, and then your window cloth is going to follow up and it's going to dry, polish, and shine your surfaces. So this is also microfiber, but it's a slicker material, and it also has the backlock. It can be used wet or dry. You can use them on your cars, your windows, all your different types of screens, stainless steel. There's very few surfaces this is not good for. You can even dry your dishes. This thing's amazing. So I just want to show you how these two work together. I have an oily mirror here. Typically I would do this demo with butter, but I didn't have any. So we just have oil on here, which is gross. That mimics a lot of the different types of messes that you're going to find in your daily life. Gross, sticky kid fingers all over your windows, dog noses, just so many nasty things. And does it drive you crazy when your mirrors are covered in fingerprints? Because it drives me nuts. So, especially, and which happens all the time because I have a child. So, weird things on my mirrors, crayons, markers, peanut butter. So first, I'm just going to take this damp EnviroCloth, and all of that oil is going to be soaked into the cloth. We're going to go over with our window cloth and dry it to create a streak-free shine. And it is crystal clear. It's amazing. You can see yourself, or you can see me in many different ways. So that is just an example of how these guys work together. So, and that's just on mirrors. You can use them on any surface. So EnviroCloth to clean, window cloth to dry, polish, and shine. And lastly, in this household package is the dusting mitt, which once everyone sees this, they want one. It's just so handy to be able to put it on your hand. It makes dusting so easy. It's super soft. This is high pile microfiber. It can be used wet and dry. And the way this works is this duster mitt is static charged. So that static electricity is a magnet to all of your dust and debris and pollutants that are covering your surfaces. So these three guys complete the household package trio, and I love them, all of them. If you get the household package plus, then you're going to get a dusting wand also, which this is the Chanel, and it has this smoother side over here. The sleeve comes off. It is washable, but you can clean it the same way that you would the dusty mitt with just the rubber brush. This is bendy. It's awesome, and the handle comes off, and I'll be showing you guys our mop system later, but if you need more length, you can attach this to the mop. So that is it for right now. I will be back and I'll show you some more products, and I'll be showing you our amazing chicken demo so that you can see the EnviroCloth work at removing 99% of the bacteria on your surface. So thanks, you guys.